Hey, what's up everyone? And welcome to the first video that we're posting on this channel. So really what I wanted to do in this video is just talk about, why make a second channel, and then also just what types of videos and what types of things will be on this second channel. And so to start off with the why, really I think it kind of started with just seeing how difficult it was to post frequently on the main channel. And kind of for some context with that, when I post on the main channel, I really want to provide a ton of value with every post. I really want to, walk through an entire data science type project. I want to show off the features of a specific Python library. And to really do this in a high quality manner, it takes a lot of time for me to prep the videos and then execute and film them. And on top of this, I am working a full-time job, a pretty demanding role at a startup. So it's just finding the time to be posting frequently on the main channel has just been really, really tough for me. So I'm thinking that first off, this channel will be a great place to post more frequent, shorter videos. Maybe, they don't pack the same value that every video on my main channel has, but I think that there will be a lot of videos that people get a lot out of. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to continue to deliver value here while working on the big projects that will ultimately go on my main channel in the background. Another reason I wanted to create this channel is really to try out new things. I would definitely say that I'm a perfectionist, and I have a lot of fun ideas, a lot of day in the life type videos, but I'm just very hesitant to actually film and post those on my main channel. I know how to film a tutorial video, I think, pretty well at this point, but expanding beyond that type of video is just kind of intimidating for me. I want to make a video that's the highest quality possible, but I don't know how to properly use my camera and do all sorts of fun transitions and whatnot. So I'm thinking that this channel also will provide me with a place to kind of work on some skills, experiment with different types of things. And maybe they're not perfect at the start, but I think that I can kind of drill down the skills needed. And then as I get better and better, take some of those skills to the main channel with all sorts of new content ideas. So then getting into the next question is, what is going to be on this new channel? And so this is still kind of to be determined. I want to be able to churn out videos pretty quickly here. So I'm thinking a lot of Python quick tips videos. So you can kind of think about maybe I see a lot of people are having the same type of bug that they're commenting about in one of my videos. So maybe how to resolve certain common bugs would be one video idea. Showing off cool features of the Python programming language. There's all sorts of wild stuff that you don't know that you can do in Python. So showing those off in quick 5-minute videos would be a fun thing, I think. Another potential area of content that we'll post on this channel is extra content, kind of additional features and whatnot to supplement videos that I post on my main channel. So some examples of this would be, I have a video called How to Program a Game in Python, and I get a ton of comments asking about different features that you could add to the game. So maybe I would post some of these additional features on this channel. Another area that I think we're going to explore a lot on this channel is coding and data science interview questions. So for coding interview questions, I probably will use a lot of LeetCode, but there's tons of different platforms out there to experiment and try problems out on. So I think I'll probably play around, try out some of these different sites. And then specifically for the data science area, there's some cool sites that have all sorts of interview problems more focused on data science. So we'll try to incorporate those into some videos here. I guess another category that I might post here is just kind of random tech stuff. One thing I'm doing right now is I'm kind of casually talking to NVIDIA and Lenovo about testing out one of their machines. And I think this channel right here would be a really cool place for me to review maybe a new machine that I get to try out, or review some other types of products that people send. Could be all sorts of just kind of miscellaneous tech stuff. Not quite sure. As I said, I'm like still figuring out what I think is best for this channel. But I guess with that being said, I'm super open to suggestions. Definitely here more so than like the main channel. Because I plan to post a lot more frequently, I can kind of like take on more requests. I don't kind of have to like dedicate a month or something to a single request. I can work on making quick videos for multiple requests. So if there's anything that you would love to see, that can be like really like no limit on topics, like that could be across the board, just something you would love to have more people post about or something that you're struggling with, let me know in the comments, because I would love to just try to incorporate as much of your requests as possible here. All right, that's kind of the basics of this channel. I don't think I have too much more to say in this specific video. If you have any questions about anything I kind of brought up, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you think that this channel will be something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. And also feel free to check me out on some of the other platforms that I'm on, Instagram, Twitter, at Keith Gallion, both of those places. Would love to see you join in and follow along there. But yeah, this was just a quick video, just kind of a what's up, what's happening on this channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope to see you soon with some new videos here. Peace out.